Okay, this is the master control board. It's the main DC voltage control input. This is the AC control input. These are the AC output controls. These connect up to MOSFET drivers, which drive the 110 volt motors. You'll notice that this has an expansion slot built onto it. This expansion slot allows for future upgrades so that you don't have to redesign the board. You can actually just plug another board on top of it and then add to the functionality and features simply by changing this MCU firmware encoding. Let's see. These are for proximity, and these are your PCB controls, and these are your DC outputs for sensor, and these are all sensor as well. These actually control your LED outputs, which will actually have an LED driver. Let's see if I can find your board designs. I will connect in with it as well. Okay, so this is kind of a layout of the board. These little holes in the board are because we're running high voltage on the board, so we use these to reduce the noise in the FR4 dielectric constant board. This is your MCU controller. This is your voltage regulator. These are your output drivers and opto isolators that control the DC outputs. These are your front sensors, sense proximity. Two are for the front of the unit, and then, I'm sorry, one is for the front of the unit, and then the other two are, these are your sensors, temp sensors. Those are the LED drivers there. Yep. That's about it. Let's see if we can, yeah, you can see there's the distance sensor, UVC LED drivers, proximity sensors. Those are for when they detect hands coming into the front of the chute. Temperature sensors, these determine the air temperature. And then of course a bicolor LED, which changes color whenever someone gets within proximity. This one is the blower motor 1, blower motor 2, power input and DC input, AC power. These will actually be have a T-silk layer on them. These are the expandable I/O headers. These are the ones that allow you to connect up at a later date and be able to hook in other boards if you want other functionalities and features without having to redesign the entire board. That's about it.